Today, right now, take this moment to have a seat and listen. Listen to whatever sounds are near your body. That might be a bird, or wind, or rain, or cars, or the hum of the refrigerator, or neighbors talking, or children playing, or children arguing. Could be a bumblebee buzzing near your ears. How many items, how many things can you count that you can hear? Now expand your listening to things further from your body, things much farther in the distance. Maybe it's an airplane. Maybe it's a freeway in the distance. Maybe it's a dog barking several blocks away, or a crow calling. And now, can you hear the sound that is in between all the sounds? The hum of life. There is an actual sound. If you're in a quiet area, it will sound rather loud once you tune into it. If you're in a noisy area, listen for it between other sounds. It's the white noise of life. Perhaps the hum of the universe. Like a soft bed upon which everything else rests. Sounds very close to you, sounds far away from you, sounds in between sounds. And notice that none of these sounds would even exist if you had no mechanism to hear them. No ears, no brain, no consciousness to even pick them up. So what are sounds? Do they actually exist? Or do they only exist because you are the one perceiving them? Everything that we experience as human beings is through sensory perceptions, which is the gift of our body. Sometimes it doesn't feel like a gift, but it is a gift. But there is something behind the sensory perception, the one perceiving, that is something much beyond how the body is in this world. In other words, who is the one listening to these sounds right now? During your day today, anytime you're feeling stressed, take a moment to listen to the amazing sounds around you, whether they're ones that you enjoy or not. It will bring you back into your body. And remember, you are not your senses. You are the one observing. Wishing you a beautiful day.